Hello guys, I made chicken for chicken tacos tonight. Oh my god, it's so good. So what I do, my recipe is chicken, water, milk, chicken broth, and taco seasoning. And then I use, for my tortilla shells, I use, I think that's Mission. Hold on. For the cheese, I use cheddar jack finely shredded. For some of our sauces, we use chipotle sauce, creamy queso, and mild sauce. And if anybody likes like shredded lettuce on theirs, my mom does, we use Dole. So yeah. And hold on. So we have red Canada Dry, water, or Kool-Aid. For our dessert, we're having chocolate chip muffins. That's my supper. Bye.